Hello, my fellow engineering students. I know you're crying inside, but that's okay because we all do that. So today we're going to talk about rating life, median life, and catalog load rating of bearings. First, let's talk about the rating life. At first, I want you to imagine a group of identical bearings, say 10, and we need to run them simultaneously and measure their life, either by counting their revolutions or the number of hours before they fail. And when we do that, they will definitely fail at some point. So among them, 90% of the bearings will achieve a life before failing. And that is called a rating life. It is also known as minimum life, Elton life, beaten life, and normally it is expressed as 10 to the power 6 revolutions. And if you want to be a geek and describe it as 10th percentile life of a bearing group's revolution onto failure distribution, that's fine. Okay, let's now move on to the median life. Okay, median life is also same as rating life except for the percentage or the percentile. So the percentage and percentile is not same. So let's see what happens here in median life. So at first, we will also take a group of bearings, say 10, and the revolution or hours they will achieve before failing, definitely we will count on that. And 50% of the bearings will achieve a certain amount of revolutions or hours before they fail, and that is called the median life. It is also known as average life, and it is 4 to 5 times larger than rating life. Now, we're going to talk about catalog load rating. So you need to keep in mind that it is a certain radial load that actually causes failure to 10% of a group of bearings to fail at rating life. So you apply rating life and a certain amount of radial load that will cause failure to the 10% from a group of bearings. That is called the catalog load rating. So I hope you understood it. And catalog load rating also is known as C10 basic dynamic load rating or just basic load rating. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. And if you want to know more about it, stay tuned.